Hello students, myself BN Singh from Solar Technology. Today we are presenting you a question pattern for physics which is expected in NEET 2020, and this question pattern has been prepared on the basis of previously asked questions in several years. On that very basis, I have prepared this pattern. Actually, as you are knowing, total questions are being asked each 45 in each paper. 45 in physics, 45 in chemistry, 45 in botany, and 45 questions in zoology. So total 180 questions are being asked. Each question carries 4 marks. If you are making a wrong answer, then 1 mark will be deducted from the total marks. So if you are making 5 or 10, then total 10 marks will be deducted. So you must be ready, must be alert while you are answering the question. While you are answering the question, you must try so that there should not be any wrong answer. There should always try to have a confidence in while answering your question. You must have confidence. So that no mark should be deducted and you can score more and more. Okay, then this C, actually in I am giving you the chapter wise number of questions in physics which are being asked. Okay, then you see on unit and dimensions and error in management. This is the first chapter of the physics. Generally, one question is asked. We have already discussed in unit, dimensions and errors in measurement. So it will be beneficial for you if you go my previously discussed chapters. Okay, unit and dimension carries units and dimensions, error in management 1 marks, 1 questions, motion in plane 1 questions, motion in a straight line 1 question. So motion in plane and motion in a straight lines combining together is known as kinematics. Law of motion carries 2 questions including forces. Work, energy and power carries 2 questions. Then rotational motion, work, energy and power 2 questions, and then rotational motion carries 3 questions. Gravitation 2 questions, properties of matter 4 questions, thermodynamics and kinetic energy 4 questions, oscillations 1 question, waves 2 questions, and electrostatics 3 questions. Right from the charge, Coulomb's law, Gauss's law, capacitors, their connections, series and parallel, all together carries 3 questions. Current, electricity 3 questions, moving charges and magnetism 2 questions, electromagnetic induction and alternating current 2 questions, electromagnetic waves 1 questions, and optics 4 questions. Generally 2 questions are being asked from the optical instruments and 2 questions from the general optics. Okay, you must prepare accordingly. And dual nature of radiation and matters 2 questions, atoms and nuclei 2 questions, semiconductor electronics, materials, devices and simple circuits 3 questions. This is on the basis of the pattern previously asked. I have given you the picture so that it will be easier for you to prepare, and having in mind, you must have in mind that how many questions, how you will answer. So you must practice more and more, you solve more and more questions. Okay, this has been given only the pattern, maybe ask some more or maybe less, so that depends on the setting of the questions, but generally this is the pattern are being asked. Okay, so total questions 45 in physics. You must be ready for this. Okay, all the best. Thank you very much.